make a dozen of these sweet puff pastries, you need 250 grams of ricotta cheese, 40 grams of custard sugar, the zest of half a lemon, you can also use orange. Grate only the yellow part and be sure to use the organic ones. Cinnamon powder to your liking. Start mixing and add 40 grams of mini chocolate chips. Puff pastry sheets. If you prepare the dough yourself, you will need about 500 grams of it. Cut the puff pastry to form 6 squares, no need to be precise. Then make a series of cuts on half of the surface of the square without cutting all the way through. Brush some water on the puff pastry and close the pastry on itself. Pour a spoonful of ricotta in the center, you can also use jam or custard. Take the ends and close to form a triangle. Then press with your fingers to close the pastries. You can brush some water on the ends to prevent them from opening. Flip them over and repeat the same process. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to enjoy new recipes every week. Them in a baking tray with the baking paper and brush water all over the surface. Bake them in a preheated static oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until they are golden brown on the surface. Once they are cold, put some powdered sugar by feeling. Crunch test. Remember that all you need is food, so click one of these recipes and stay hungry.